As we mentioned in the previous video, you'll want to loosen these adjustment knobs and point the lights straight up. This keeps them out of the way during installation. You can also use this lock collar at the base of each light to rotate it in the desired direction and secure it later. You'll then need to loosen the camera lock collar to rotate the camera 180 degrees so that it's right side up. Tighten the collar to hold the camera in place. Note that if you live in an area where doing your own electrical work is illegal, or if you're unfamiliar with household wiring, hire a registered electrician to perform this install. Before you begin installation, shut off the power to the circuit you plan to use for Floodlight Cam at your fuse box. If you're not sure which breaker or switch controls the circuit, you can switch off the main power switch. Once you're sure power is off, uninstall your existing light fixture. Unscrew it, then carefully pull it away from its mounting bracket. Now, detach your power wires from the light fixture. Then you can remove your existing floodlight and set it aside. Next, unscrew and remove its mounting bracket or backplate. If you're not replacing an existing light, you'll need to run power cabling to the install location in accordance with local electrical codes. Be sure to install Floodlight Cam on a vertical wall, not on an eaves or overhang. The optimal install height is 3 meters, or about 9 feet above the ground. Now you'll install the provided bracket. First, cut a hole in this gasket to fit your power wires, then push the wires through. Line up the mounting bracket on your wall so that the 2 posts are level with the ground. Then screw it to the wall with the provided mounting screws. You are now ready to wire your Floodlight Cam.